Hello folks, and welcome back to the Keep Productive YouTube channel. Today we're diving into new to-do list applications. We're going to be focusing in on 5 of them, and hopefully they will be suitable for you if you're looking for one. But do remember, these have been out for much less time than some of the other ones we recommend. So if you're looking for the other to-do list application video we've got that overviews all of them, feel free to check that out. So the first on our list is Columns. Now this is a very visual looking application. It's very much a checklist application to some extent. You can create checklists not only for the week ahead, but for things like movies you'd like to watch or places you'd like to go. And it's currently only available through web. But if you're someone that spends a lot of time on desktop and you do love this sort of visual collaboration of all of your lists, then this could be a good application for you. The second one on our list is called Planny. Now Planny has actually been out for 4 years, so it's not really a new application, but it's much newer than some of the older ones like Todoist. Now they're actually in their 5th edition now, which I believe was set to be released on March the 10th. So I believe it's out already, but they have had 4 editions before. So they have got that sort of reliability there, and they've got a great App Store rating as well. Now I really like this Planny 5 application because you can do things like manage duration, and they've got a really nice user interface which helps you to add a lot of detail to tasks before you actually add it to your areas. It works currently on iOS and Mac, and sort of looks like a blend between Todoist and TickTick, allowing you to manage your calendar and also tags as well. Now moving on, we've got number 3, which is Timestripe, which is something I reviewed in one of my first impressions videos. Now if I'm honest, I was actually taken back by this application at how well it was allowing you to sort of plan not just your tasks, but your goals. And that's really what it is more than a task manager, is a goal planner, allowing you to plot out your not just week ahead, but your month and your year goals, and weirdly, even long into your bucket list future. It does a range of different views, and it's a pretty impressive application. I was actually very impressed at the way that you could go to these different views and be able to see a lot of insight and data from some of the goals that you're adding. Now number 4 is 24Me. Now this has been around for a little bit of time, and what I would say is, whilst it's not the most visually appealing application, it's quite impressive as a mainstream application. So I would probably see maybe not productivity lovers using this. I would say this is probably more suitable for the average Joe that just wants something to help manage their work. So they market this as a personal assistant, but it normally just allows you to manage your calendar, tasks, and notes. And if you're doing very lightweight stuff, this could be a decent application for that. And for a lot of people who just like to be able to see some of their calendar events and a few things they need to get done, as well as combining it with a few of their regularly sort of jotted down notes on their phone, this could be a good bet for you. It's on iOS and Android as well. Now number 5 is more of a robust system. It's from the Moleskine Studio lineup, and it's called Actions. I did a review on it a while ago, and Moleskine just developed the most gorgeous applications, but there is a premium subscription to this one, guys, so just make a note of that. But if you do want to start creating lists and see your schedule alongside of it, and the block ability, being able to sort of like time block to some extent and combine it with Moleskine Time Page, which is a gorgeous calendar experience as well, you've got a great set up here. But it's definitely worth understanding the Moleskine Studio setup before you actually jump in, because it actually takes it a lot further if you commit to the entire system. It's currently only available on iOS. I believe there's a web version to Actions as well, but it actually does a good job, and there's a great video by Mariana's Study Corner, which I'll include below, which goes into this a little bit further. Anyway, folks, I hope you enjoyed these new to-do list applications. If you're new here, I'd love to have you as a subscriber, so please make sure to hit subscribe, and I'll talk to you all very soon. Cheerio.